So I'm done already here at Fair Health. Actually, it's really fast. I thought that it's not gonna be, or like I'm gonna be here all afternoon, but it's not. Hey, Fair Health! Done! Hi guys, good morning. Today is April 27, I believe. We are going to go to Fair Health to process or to update our data record. We haven't paid the insurance for a year since the pandemic, and we'll see how much is the raise, the price increase, and what are the changes. Okay, so I'll walk you through the process later on, and yes, keep on watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. By the way, since I did not pay my contribution for a year, I need to update my record and as to where I live and anything like that. You just have to sign a form. I'll flash it here. Experience in Phil Health office is that when I went to the guard, they will take your temperature, body temperature. They will give you a form. You will write down your temperature, your information, date, and then address, anything like that. Similar to any other establishments here in the Philippines, you have to sign all the forms. Here it's a requirement for contact tracing. And then I went to a window one, talked to the lady, what is my purpose of coming to Phil Health. I told them I have to make a contribution, update my record, and so she gave me the form, and so I fill up the form, and then I asked them if I can bring my husband. The lady at the counter didn't really give me like heads ups like that. That's it. Like but the guard, I asked if I can bring my kid, since my husband has to come into the office and do his paperwork because I cannot do it by myself. He needs to have his presence there. So I asked if they can allow my child to be in the premises, and so it is allowed as long as the child has a mask and face shield. And so Yan came in, and then my husband came in as well, signed the paper, and we went to another window to get our number. We waited just for a few minutes and our number was called. We went to a different section. The lady traced all our information and what the months we didn't pay, and after that, after all, we were given a sheet on how much we are paying, and go to the cashier and pay for it. So that's the process on how to update and pay your contribution at the office. And so from now on, we can pay now at the branch, so it's much more faster. So tapos na ako dito guys. So I'm done already here at Fair Health. Actually, it's really fast. I thought that it's not gonna be, or like I'm gonna be here all afternoon, but it's not. So yeah, we bring Yan too, and they're allowed as long as the baby or the child or kid has face shield. For any corrections on your record, I have an error in my record where my son's gender is not the correct one. I don't know, with the lady at the time when I went there, I put son, but when he looked at my son at the time has long hair, and she thinks that my son is, he's a girl, and she put daughter in there. And I told them to change it, but I guess right now it's still showing that it's still in the incorrect information. And so the lady told me at like the section where they calculate your missed payments and your current record, or updating your record, it's going to be online. Okay, so I will be doing another separate video again, my experience on that, how it's going to be. I thought that since it's original office, you can just take all the transactions there, but I guess one main office is going to be in Manila. That's it, guys. This is my video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you get something out from this video. And if you do, leave a comment. What are your experience, your nightmares going there and doing your transactions? I want to know. Okay, so this is it. This is my video for today. Roche here, signing off. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye. Mental health here in Cebu City.